Welcome.
So we have come to the end of the program. So now we'll move to the valedictory session. And in this valedictory session, I will request Professor G.K. Mandal if he would like to say something to the participants.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
audible.
Congratulations to all the participants for successfully completing the online FDP. This is the first time we are organizing online FDP by using Microsoft Teams. Initially, we are under pressure, but this was solved time to time with the progress of this program. My special thanks to AICTE Atal Academy for giving us such opportunity to organize such event. 200 participants from various organizations all over India joined very easily. It's really difficult to join physically by the participants. Transportation, lodging, fooding, hospitality, requirement of good auditorium to accommodate 200 participants become easier by the single or online. Due to this pandemic situation. Theoretically, this FDP is over now. Practically, you need to complete by the examination. The Google Form link will be shared to you before 4 p.m. in the mail ID where we are communicating regularly to you. 20 participants will be awarded on Book of Artificial Intelligence. We have received all the supports from all the participants. We also tried our best to make this FDP a success. Attendance and obtained marks will be uploaded by us within tomorrow. You must or you are requested to give the feedback on this FDP on the portal where you are registered. Then AICTE will allow you to download your e-certificate. I would like to thank you again. Thanks to AICTE, our college authority, our college colleagues, technical support teams, speakers for smooth running of this program. Thank you. Thank you again.
Now I will request any of the participants for the feedback. Any of the participants I will request. You can unmute and you can say the feedback.
Hello.
So again,
Hello.
Yes, audible.
Good afternoon, all. I am Forum Shah. I am from.
On your camera on, if possible. Otherwise, you continue.
Yes, continue.
I am Forum Shah from Surat. I would like to thank all the organizers, even the technical team. The session was quite informative and which will enhance my knowledge. So I'll appreciate your work. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other questions?
Okay. Hello.
Please.
Hello.
Yes, audible.
Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. I'm here, Ranjan Walia from MIET Jammu. So for this your session, this session is very informative for me. Background is electrical engineering, so all the sessions are very informative, and I gain some knowledge and basic concept of Python and the artificial intelligence, and certainly it's a very helpful for me. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Any other participants are willing to say?
Yeah, good afternoon to everyone. Myself is Sheikh Gauss. Our sessions has been explained with real-time examples and it is very useful for me. And thank you for the organizers and the technical and supporting all the staff people. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Any other? Yes.
Sir, if you can unmute your
Yes.
video, it will be better for us.
Okay. Myself, Dr. Durai Murugan. I'm from Chennai. I would like to thank all the organizer for conducting such a wonderful FDP. It is very useful. So practically, we can able to understand what is happening in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Python programming, and everything can be easily understand. And one more thing, actually, we can able to get the information from such a wonderful faculty from all the IIT members, but it is not possible to meet the people directly. So this is the platform, and we can able to meet. So for this opportunity, so thank you very much. Thank you. I'm saying thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Any other participants would like to say the feedback? Okay, so now I will request our director, Dr. Conal Pravas Bose, to conclude the program.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dear participants and the guests, I was just listening the feedback, and I can summarize that we have a fantastic, fabulous 5 days faculty development program. The thrust area was artificial intelligence and deep learning. This field is very much talked about nowadays, but this is not exactly a new field. Around 70 years back, one American computer scientist, John McCarthy, first brought out this term artificial intelligence. It is just last 1 decade or so we are using, or we are applying or getting the benefit of artificial intelligence to make our life more comfortable, safe, fast, and secure, to name a few. Like if my banker sends me a SMS regarding any transaction, now I know that he is alerting me against any fraudulent transaction using artificial intelligence. When at home, when I use the gadgets like Alexa or Google Nest, they are actually acting as my technical PA. I ask a question, and within seconds, he is giving the answer browsing through the website by using artificial intelligence. I learned that for any prediction, I don't have to go to the fortune teller. AI can do the needful if I can provide adequate input to the system. In nutshell, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to learn and think, and also exhibits traits associated with human mind, such as problem solving. AI makes it possible for a machine to learn from its own experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Actually, computers are very good slaves. Thus, they need the instruction and to do the task and those sequence of steps which is computer understands are nothing but the algorithm which forms the backbone of artificial intelligence. In this faculty development program, an endeavor has been made to make the participants realize the potential of AI, and I'm sure it will percolate to the students when this faculty meet their students. In simple application to major predictions, AI has very wide range, and our eminent speakers from academia as well as from the industry have stressed upon the same. In simple terms, FDP has given us many takeaways covering from session 1 to session 15. And if I summarize, it is machine learning in which machine can learn by its own from examples and previous experiences. The machine tend to change or correct the algorithm by itself as per the requirement. Then they spoke about the neural networks. This is nothing but tools in machine learning to find patterns within the data which are far too complex for the human mind to comprehend. Deep learning is another subfield of artificial intelligence in which a large amount of data is analyzed, and here this algorithm would perform the task repeatedly, each time twisting or editing a little bit to improve its outcome. Cognitive computing, which aims to imitate the human thought process in a computer model. Then we have seen about the computer visions, which allows the computer to see, to recognize, and to process images similar to the human vision. Then natural language and processing was also covered, which is nothing but the methods to communicate with the machine using the language of human being, like English or any other language. We also learned the application of artificial intelligence in healthcare, e-commerce, image construction, and so on. Now, at the end of all this topic, one thing comes to our mind: is it a threat to mankind when you go for huge application of artificial intelligence? The answer we may call it may yes or no, and both the possibilities exist. It depends completely how we expect AI to develop in near future. Some people will agree with the point that AI and robots are going to kill a lot of jobs. But the aim of using AI should be to do something that enables people to automate a particular task, empower them, and make their life safe, secure, and comfortable. New and interesting career options will be available if AI is used in an efficient manner. Now, everything comes with the pros and cons. If I have spoken to the pros, the cons are also there in AI. AI will definitely create some social problem unless we handle it with care. In AI system, algorithms decide the outcome. The algorithms are supposed to be intellectual property and needs to be guarded accordingly. And if these algorithms fall in the hand of illegal people, the AI really can be a threat to humankind. Will AI be again be really good to us or not? It's actually the matter of choice. As brought out earlier, AI can be a good predictor of future if the past data is available. So the big questions are, can it predict its own future? I mean, can AI predict its own future? Can it forecast its own progress to a degree greater than the progress of human being, or the progress of relationship to another AI system, or the humanity, or the globe as a whole? The answer to these questions can tell us whether AI will be a threat to the mankind or otherwise. So I leave this question to the participants to ponder with. At the end, I convey my sincere appreciation to the participants for being very, very interactive in all the sessions. I thank the college governing body for their unstinted support, and also congratulate wholeheartedly our college fraternity for making this FDP a very, very successful event. With this, I hand over the proceedings to the moderator of the event, Professor Tanushree Jana, as always. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
So we will wait for the test link to be sent, and we conclude our program here.